Welcome back, everybody. I got a brand new GATC, the 4180 cubic foot Airslide hopper from Scaletrains. Just arrived. Pretty nice if I do say so. I have a few of these already, but I will make a review on this one. Normal clamshell. Nice roof block detail. The exploded diagram and the instruction part. And there seems to be some roller bearing caps. Cool. So here's the instruction packet. Right there. Everything includes all the road numbers, a little background data on what type of car this is, and then the exploded parts diagram. Sweet. A lot of parts. All right. Let's look at this. Wow, very nice. The end detail. I see something hit the airline, but I do like the metal. It looks like Apex walkway. Yeah. So here's something. There's a little bowl in it right in the middle because they have two attachments on the roof to secure the roof walk down, and it makes a bow in the middle, which isn't normally a problem. Usually humidity changes that from time to time. Wow, this car is super nice. Sweet, you guys. Let's check out that detail underneath. So you got the triple valve, the cylinder. Oh, you could even get, so there's the airline that runs through with the piston, and then there's also those little airlines for each door. I guess they're not airlines, they're the outlet for the material that's hauled. Huh, sweet. Of course, these come with really nice trucks and couplers. Even the bolster, where they lift the bolster at, they are see-through, separate parts. Nice grab irons. The lettering is really crisp and clear. You can see the built date of 7/71. And then the caution, do not hammer inside a car. Yeah, I'm definitely happy with this purchase. This car is worth the $40 that I paid for it. Sweet. Thanks for watching, you guys. Give it a thumbs up and watch more videos. Talk to you later.